So a lot of people are worried about the idea of losing their AdSense revenue. So in this video, I wanted to share with you how to make money on YouTube without AdSense.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. So with all the concern there is about possibly losing your ad revenue, I wanted to share with you all the other ways that you could possibly be making money with your YouTube channel without the AdSense revenue. That's coming up. Alright, so one of the most common ones is affiliate marketing. There are a number of different affiliate marketing programs that you can use with your YouTube channel. Now, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you sign up with a website like Amazon, for example, and they give you special links to use that lead to products. Now, if somebody clicks on your specific link and goes and buys that product, you're going to get a portion of those proceeds. Now, there's a few different ones that are out there. Amazon is definitely one of the most popular ones, but even Target and Walmart have their own affiliate programs that you can use as a way to link people to products that are mentioned in your video that can possibly give you a percentage of the proceeds if they actually head through your link and make a purchase. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put some links in the description below on a number of different affiliate programs that you can go to and sign up for. And once you get approved for those, you'll be able to start using their links. And basically the way you do it is anytime you make reference to a product that is available through one of those affiliates, then try to include that affiliate link in your description. Over time, as people become familiar with that being in your description, they'll know if they find interest in the product that you're talking about, they can head into the description and check it out. So there's affiliate programs for both products and services. One, for example, is TUBEBUDDY. I am a TUBEBUDDY affiliate, which means if I use my special link and share it with somebody and they go through and they sign up for TUBEBUDDY and eventually upgrade to one of the paid versions, then I'm going to receive a portion of the money they pay for that upgrade. Affiliate programs are a great way to get your channel set up to receive income outside the ad revenue that you may or may not be receiving directly from YouTube. All right, so another option is merchandise. Now, some people may be a little hesitant to get into merchandise because they really don't understand what it costs or how it works. Fortunately, there's a number of sites out there that will let you set up your own merchandise for free. And when I say free, I mean there's no upfront costs. So you can actually set up kind of a storefront or a list of products without putting out any money. The way they do it is when somebody buys a product like a t-shirt or something, that service will take a portion of it and they will give you a portion. It's a great way to be able to set up, have your merchandise available for people to buy if they want to, without incurring any upfront costs. Just a couple of the options that are out there. You have CafePress, which lets you set up a whole storefront. You have Spreadshirt for setting up customized t-shirts. And you also have Merch by Amazon, which is something that I actually use. I found cost-wise, they are the best. They seem to be the best value as far as t-shirts go because they have a much lower cost on the front end. So you're able to provide your shirts at a little lower cost while still having something for you to keep. Because ultimately what happens is those companies will take the cost of the t-shirt and you will put your margin or the couple dollars above and beyond what they're getting, so you get a piece. I found that Merch by Amazon actually has a lower upfront cost than some of the other ones, but they're all great options. You should check them all out and see which one fits you best. All right, so the third option is sponsors. Now, sponsors are not necessarily as easy to get as some of the other options to monetize your content. But what I found with sponsorships, and I can attest to this through my personal experience, as well as the experiences that I heard from some of the most successful sponsored channels on YouTube that I had the pleasure of listening to at VIDSUMMIT. And that is, there's no right way, or there may be some wrong ways, to go about getting a sponsor. But what it always comes down to is building relationships. If you have a company that you're interested in, that you'd like to be sponsored by, then find a way to develop a relationship with that company without asking for anything up front. The way you can do that is if you like their products, make it a habit of tagging their Twitter account or mention them on Facebook anytime you use their product without any expectations that they're going to want to sponsor you. And over time, perhaps they'll notice and you'll start to build that foundation, that relationship, so they're familiar with your content, and perhaps when you get to a certain size or you've reached a certain audience, then you'll have the opportunity to take that relationship to the next level and turn it into a monetized sponsorship. And on that note, I'd like to mention that this video is sponsored by TUBEBUDDY, the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. You can download it for free with the link in the description below. Another way that you can make money with your YouTube channel is through membership sites like Patreon. Patreon allows your members to support you by gaining access to exclusive content that you share with them directly through the Patreon site. There's a number of different ways that you can incentivize your followers to join your Patreon, including exclusive content, merchandise that they can only get by being a patron, live Q&A hangouts, all kinds of ways that you can bring that exclusive content to your members to offer the value so they in return will want to support you financially. Alright, so the final way that I want to share with you is offering your own product or service. Depending on the type of content that you have, you may be in a position to create a product or service that revolves around your content that people may be willing to pay for. Maybe you're showing people how to do a certain thing, whether it's drawing or how to build things out of wood. Maybe you have the ability to take those types of topics that you're sharing in your videos, wrapping them around with a little bit more detail, maybe creating a PDF or an outline guide on how to do a particular project, and offering that for sale in the link in your description of your videos. You can make a video dedicated to it. You can have a website dedicated to letting people know about the other products and services that you offer in addition to all of the free content that you're providing on YouTube. And it may be a great way for you to start to build that business outside of YouTube and not have to worry about the ad revenue. Alright, so one last thing I want to add is in talking to a lot of successful YouTubers who have turned YouTube into their primary source of income, none of them rely on AdSense revenue as their primary source. In fact, it's probably one of the least important sources of revenue for successful YouTubers. So keep that in mind if you're upset about the AdSense changes, and understand that if you truly want to be successful, it's not about the AdSense revenue. It's going to be about thinking outside the box, finding ways to expand those possible revenue streams so that you can make money without having to worry about what's going on with the Google or the YouTube ad revenue and all that mess. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to continue to receive notifications about videos that can help you simplify YouTube, please consider clicking that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.